Hello my aters, it's Luis from Just8ate.com. And today, I'm going to be showing you Rotini marinara with Italian sausage.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Alright, let's get right to it.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Let me expand your mind on how we made this dish.
I'm removing the casings from the sausage link. So I'm adding 1/4 cup or 59 milliliters of olive oil into the saucepan. I'm cranking up the heat to low to medium heat. I'm going to make sure the bottom of the saucepan is entirely coated with olive oil.
Today we're going to be using Barilla Rotini pasta with Barilla's marinara sauce, garlic and onion.
The pan is fully heated. I'm going to add a cup of diced onion. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 pound of Italian sausage into the saucepan. Now I'm going to break down the sausage links and mix the sausage links together with the onions. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of frozen spinach. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of minced garlic into the saucepan. Mix it well.
First, to make pasta, boil some water. And now we're going to go ahead and add 1/2 box of Rotini pasta.
Next, I'm going to add 24 ounces of marinara sauce into the saucepan.
Stirring it in. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing.
I'm going to lower the heat or reduce the heat to low temperature.
It was on simmer and now it's on low.
Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to cream the sauce.
To cream the sauce.
It adds density, yes.
Okay.
Thickness.
Cool.
Hey, are you enjoying this video? If so, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload another video. And that's the final step for making the sauce.
Before draining the pasta, we're going to go ahead and save at least 3 ounces of pasta water to combine in our pasta sauce. After 8 minutes or so, or until the pasta is al dente, go ahead and give it a drain and put the rest of the pasta into the sauce. Hi.
Mix the sauce and the pasta noodles well. And lastly, we're going to add 50 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of the reserved pasta noodle water. Rotini marinara with Italian sausage.
Wow, that looks amazing. I don't know about you, but every time I have any kind of pasta, I like a little bit of Parmigiano. Do you like Parmigiano on your pasta?
Comment down below to let me know what your favorite type of pasta noodle is.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the
the flavor, my aiders. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Oh. No, no.
What?
It's running.